Welcome. My name is Will Tord from PrimeEdge Academy. I am very happy to have you here today as we begin this journey together. In this first lesson, we are going to understand what Canva is, how it works, who can use it, the difference between the free and pro versions, and what you can create using it. This is the foundation of everything we will be learning moving forward, so pay close attention and relax. This is going to be simple and practical. Now, let us start with the most important question. What is Canva? Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows you to create professional designs easily. It is web-based, which means you do not need to download heavy software or install complicated programs on your computer. Everything works directly from your browser. The best part is that you do not need advanced design skills. Even if you have never designed anything before, Canva makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. It works on both computers and mobile phones. So whether you are using a laptop or a smartphone, you can still create beautiful designs. So how does Canva actually work? Canva works using ready-made templates. Instead of starting from a blank page, you choose a template that fits what you want to create. After selecting a template, you edit the text and replace it with your own content. You can change images, customize colors, adjust fonts, and arrange elements the way you prefer. Once you are satisfied with your design, you download it or share it directly online. This process saves time and makes designing much easier compared to starting from scratch. Now, who can use Canva? The simple answer is everyone. Students can use Canva to create presentations and school projects. Business owners can design posters, flyers, and marketing materials. Content creators can create social media posts and YouTube thumbnails. Teachers can prepare visual learning materials. Freelancers can offer design services and earn income. Even beginners with no experience can start immediately. Canva was built to make design accessible to anyone who is willing to learn. Let us now talk about Canva Free versus Canva Pro. The free version of Canva gives you access to thousands of templates, basic design tools, and many free photos and elements. For beginners, the free version is more than enough to start learning and creating quality designs. Canva Pro, on the other hand, includes premium templates, a background remover tool, a brand kit feature, more fonts, more graphics, and additional advanced tools. However, you do not need the Pro version to begin. Start with the free version, master the fundamentals, and upgrade later if necessary. Skill is more important than having premium features. So what can you create with Canva? You can design posters, logos, business cards, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, invitations, resumes, and flyers. In fact, almost any digital design you see online can be created using Canva. It is a versatile platform that supports many types of creative projects. Whether for personal use, school, business, or income generation, Canva provides the tools you need. Finally, why should you learn Canva in 2026? First, it is a high-demand digital skill. Businesses today rely heavily on online marketing and visual content. Second, it can help you earn online by offering design services to clients. Third, it is easy to learn compared to traditional professional design software. And most importantly, it saves time and money. Instead of paying someone to design simple materials for you, you can create them yourself. Learning Canva is not just about design. It is about building opportunity and independence. That brings us to the end of our first lesson, Introduction to Canva. In the next class, we will move into practical work and learn how to create a Canva account, step by step. Make sure you join the next lesson so you can follow the series from the beginning. Thank you for attending today's class, and I will see you in the next lesson at PrimeEdge Canva Academy.